How to fix an Android phone that won't turn on. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually fix an Android phone that basically won't turn on. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix an Android phone that doesn't turn on, the first thing that you can simply try to do is make sure that the charging cable is actually connected. So just make sure that you have enough charge, because sometimes the dead battery could be one of the most trivial reasons why this issue could be happening in the first place. So you want to make sure to fix that first of all. Now, if that doesn't help, then what you can also try to do is, in other ways, you can just try to force reboot it. Now, depending upon which phone you're using, the process to force reboot or hard reboot it is basically different. Because in the Samsung phone or Realme or Xiaomi or whatever type of phones you're using, you can just look for them up in Google depending upon the model as well. You might need to press a side key as well as the volume buttons in order to go ahead and then actually hard reboot your iPhone. And if none of these solutions help, I just recommend you take it to a nearby repair shop. So hope this video helped you answer the question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you in the next video.